ever pondered upon the significance of rubber resistance to outdoor weathering? It's an essential factor that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays a pivotal role in the longevity and functionality of rubber products. For manufacturers, understanding this resistance is crucial in ensuring the quality and durability of their products, and that's where the ASTM D1171 test method comes in. The ASTM D1171 is a standard test method for rubber deterioration, specifically focusing on surface ozone cracking outdoors. It's all about assessing the performance of molded or extruded rubber products under specific outdoor conditions. However, it's important to note that the test doesn't directly correlate to service performance due to the wide range of service conditions. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does this test entail? It's a process that allows for the estimation of the relative ability of rubber compounds to resist weathering outdoors. The test is particularly useful for rubber compounds used in applications that require a high degree of resistance to the elements. However, it's also important to note that the ASTM D1171 is not applicable to all types of rubber. Specifically, it's not suitable for materials ordinarily classed as hard rubber. Instead, the test is adaptable to molded or extruded soft rubber materials and sponge rubber. These are commonly used in window weather stripping and similar automotive applications. So how does the ASTM D1171 test method work? To start, triangular specimens of the rubber compound are prepared. These specimens are then exposed to the outdoor environment under specified conditions. The goal here is to induce surface ozone cracking, a common form of rubber deterioration. The performance of the rubber is then assessed by observing the extent of the cracking. This provides a simple comparison of performance under the specified test conditions. In a nutshell, the ASTM D1171 test method is a vital tool in assessing the resistance of rubber compounds to outdoor weathering. It focuses on surface ozone cracking using triangular specimens in an outdoor environment. However, it's not applicable to hard rubber materials, and there's no direct correlation between test performance and service performance due to varying service conditions. The ASTM D1171 test method is a significant tool in the rubber manufacturing industry, providing crucial insights into the performance and durability of rubber products. It's an essential process in the production of high-quality, durable rubber products designed to withstand the elements. It's the unsung hero in the world of rubber manufacturing, ensuring our rubber products stand the test of time.